YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. It is boredom killing time. So, I'm out here working on my moped, and a guy pull up on me, ask me if I could change his spark plugs. And I'm always taking business. I mean, I stop what I'm doing to make some money. But so he pull up, asked me if I could work on this car. I say yeah. He just need me to swap his spark plugs out. The car is a Ford Focus, so that's about it. Let's get it, guys. Okay, it's been sitting for 30 minutes with the fan on. Oh, we about to get it in, guys. Hey, first things first, I like to work one at a time. Remove your spark plug boot. There you go. One out. This is the only spark plug, guys, that's actually good and not covered in oil as far as appearance. So far, every single one has not been gapped. In my experience, I tend to like to re-gap my spark plugs once a year, just personal preference. Oh, look at that one. That one's spot on. That is the best one. Everyone has been all oily or close to 50. I like to do, on average, 50 on most cars. All the plugs. And you could definitely tell that that one looks different. Oh, excuse me. That one is different than all of those. So I'm gonna let the car run for a minute. And when I started it, I noticed white smoke spitting out the back. That would explain all of the oil that's going on the spark plug. But I'm gonna let it run, heat up the oil, and I'm gonna check its oil level. I like to check my oil level after it's hot. I run the car just for it's already warm. So I'm gonna run the car a little bit, let it heat back up, turn it off, let it sit for 10 minutes to get everything to drain. And then I'm gonna check the oil that way. I like to check hot oil. Okay, so next he wants me to swap out his fuel filter. The fuel filter on the Focus is right on most four bangers is by the fuel tank. So you go under the bottom, hit a pinch point. You can trust the brakes if you want, the emergency brake and park, or you can double up and put a chalk block, basically just something in the tire to keep it from rolling. I have a piece of wood in the front driver tire. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Let me get y'all some perspective. The theme of the door right here. The two doors. You can see where the jack is. If you come up. Okay guys, so someone's been under here. If you look, that's already disconnected. And if you follow it to the back, it's already disconnected there. Somebody's already been up under here, fiddling or something. So I'm gonna hopefully just give it a tug and it comes off. Okay, I just popped the line, as you see. I'm mad because I got my hat. I'm sorry, White Owl. I didn't mean to do you like that. I'll just have to get another hat. But anyways, guys, so when you pop the line, I didn't do anything as far as draining the fuel line and all of this, because even draining the fuel line, it would be less fuel being spilled, but there still will be fuel. So I could care less about that. You pop the line, catch the fuel. I didn't. That's the top, and now I'm gonna pull the bottom off, and we'll have the fuel filter out, guys. And you see there's nothing fancy. It's smooth. The only thing holding it on is the white clamp. So guys, I'm looking at this line. It's in my way, so I'm gonna remove it because it's a hard line. But when I look, there's somebody tool. Like, what the heck? Like, somebody definitely was under here tinkering, doing something. But now that I move that, I might not have to take it off. I get the movement I need. Just disconnect the crimp right here holding it, and I should be in business. Okay, guys, here's the old one and the new one. See, the arrow tells you the flow, basically pointing towards the engine, the way the fuel goes to the engine. So this would go in that way because the line comes from the tank in here and then to the front. All right, guys, now we're gonna check the leaks. Yep, no leaks. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.